In this quick video, I am going to show you how to turn on star mode on iPhone 11. I mean how to capture the stars on sky using iPhone 11. Let's see that. Just open your camera app and make sure it's switched to photo. Okay, now I turned off the light. Then only you can see this little circle. This is the night mode option. If the light is on, you didn't see this option. If the light went off, you can see this. Now just click this little arrow. Now on the bottom also you can see this night mode. Just tap that. Now here you have the slider. Just move it to the maximum. For now it shows us 2 seconds. If it shows 10 seconds, you just choose this to maximum. If the surrounding was dark, the seconds will be increases. For me it shows 2 seconds. If it shows 5 seconds or 10 seconds means you need to choose this to maximum. After this you need to fix your iPhone on steady place. If you have tripod, just connect your iPhone on tripod, or if doesn't have means just steadily hold your iPhone and then just tap the shutter button and don't move until this process comes. Yeah, after you hear the shutter sound, it's done. Yeah, I taken this shot yesterday. There was no star, but the place was very dark, but you can clearly see the sky. This is how you can turn on stars mode on iPhone 11. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.